how to add Greg's Rewards card to Apple Wallet. First, you want to go into the App Store, and here you will search for Pass to You, written like this. Click on the option that pops up, Pass to Your Wallet. It's going to look like this, and just install the application. Afterwards, once we open it, you want to click on the orange plus sign in the bottom right, and then apply a pass template. Now from here, we will use the search bar to search for Greg's. Just like that. And you will see Greg's cards, and you want to find one that is most similar to yours. Usually it should be this one that has been applied the most times. Okay, so from here, what you can do is customize all of the different fields by pressing on the pencil icon. You can add a barcode, QR code, so you can input your Greg's QR code here, and also the Greg's card. Here you can type the number or name or whatever it may be. Now, after you're done with this, click on Done. Then you want to add it. So click on Add. And now if I go into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have the Greg's Rewards card there. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.